Okay, after banging on the carburetor with a crescent wrench because gas was coming out of right here, I just started it. I'm going to see if I can tune this a little bit. I don't know if there's junk in there that I might have to take off, but I hooked up this vacuum gauge and I'm going to start it, and I'm going to adjust the two idle air screws to the point where I get the most vacuum, and then see how it runs after that. So I'm going to start it up. It's going to be a little bit noisy, but we'll see if we can get some video of this. Okay, we're running 15. Well, I'll step away from it for a second. I ended up turning the idle air screws all the way in, tight. Doesn't seem right, but that gives me the highest vacuum. So, I don't know, I'll take it for a test drive and see how it works in that configuration. They were about 1.5 turns out. So, I don't know, I'm not a carburetor adjuster. Might have to do some research. Smells a little rich. Here's how it sounds. It's probably the wrong carburetor, I don't know. That was weird, the gas was pouring out the top of that though. Didn't like that. Anyway, we'll take it for a test drive and see how that tune works and then go from there. Okay, since this thing's dumping gas out of this little overflow when I put the choke on in the morning, and just I have to hit it on the side with something. You can see the damage I've done right there. So something's sticking in there. So I'm thinking about taking the top of this carburetor off and taking a look-see. Hopefully don't damage anything in the gaskets, because I don't have a rebuild kit. I don't even know what kind of carburetor this is. So I think I'm gonna take off the top and take a look-see and see if I see any junk in there. Have to be careful. Take a few of these screws off. And I'll take a look. Yeah, I took the top of the carb off. Looks pretty dang clean down in there. But I know that the float's overfilling. So I'm going to take that out and see if there's any junk in the needle and seat, and just kind of do a look-see and clean things out. Threw it back together, and now I think we're going to take it for a drive and see if it even runs after taking the top of that off. Who knows? We'll find out though. Well, she seems to be running decent, so I think we're gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching.